Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to start a garden. Gardening is a great way to get exercise, enjoy the outdoors, and grow your own fresh food. In today's video, we're going to show you step by step how to start a garden from scratch. Share some valuable tips, and sprinkle in some fascinating garden facts to keep you inspired. So, let's get our hands dirty. Section 1. Planning your garden. The first step in creating a stunning garden is planning. It's like setting the foundation for your dream house. Now, grab a notepad and pen, and let's jot down some ideas. Assess your space. Measure your garden area and note its sun exposure. Choose your garden style. Whether it's a vegetable garden, flower garden, or a mix, decide what you want. Create a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on plants, soil, and tools. Do you know that the world's largest garden is in Dubai, covering a whopping 72,000 square meters? Section 2. Preparing the soil. Now that you've got your plan in place, let's dig in, quite literally. Follow these tips while digging. Clear the area. Remove weeds, rocks, and debris. Improve soil quality. Add compost or organic matter to enrich the soil. Test the soil. Use a soil test kit to check pH levels and nutrient content. Do you know, earthworms are essential to soil health? They can move and aerate up to 18 tons of soil per acre each year. Section 3. Planting your garden. It's time for the magic to happen. Let's bring those plants to life. Choose the right plants. Select varieties suitable for your climate and soil. Spacing is key. Follow recommended spacing for each plant. Water wisely. Be consistent but avoid overwatering. Do you know, the world's oldest known garden is the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, built around 600 BCE. Section 4. Garden maintenance. Now that your garden's thriving, it's not time to sit back and relax just yet. Prune and deadhead. Regularly trim plants to encourage growth. Mulch it up. Mulching helps conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Pests and diseases. Keep an eye out and address issues promptly. Do you know, gardening can be therapeutic. It's known to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Section 5. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Congratulations! You've successfully started and maintained your garden. Now, it's time to reap the rewards. Create sitting areas. Enjoy your garden with a cozy bench or hammock. Harvest and share. If you have a vegetable garden, enjoy fresh produce and share with friends and neighbors. Keep learning. Gardening is a lifelong journey of discovery. Do you know, the world's smallest garden is the Nano Garden in Tokyo, fitting inside a test tube? Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Your guide to starting your very own garden. Remember, it's a labor of love, so don't be afraid to get creative and experiment. If you have any questions or want to share your gardening journey with us, leave a comment down below. Happy gardening! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.